Myself B Vishnu and my batchmate is V Balasubramanian. We are from Computer Science and Engineering Department. And our internal guide is Mr. V Deepak, and our project is computerization of quarters allotment for BSNL. The main aim of this project is to computerize the process of quarters allotment in BSNL, which is done manually at present, to provide transparency in quarters allotment and provide electronic flow of information from one section to another section to avoid time delay, arresting the revenue leakage with respect to quarters, and removing the ambiguity in the process of waiting list creation. Existing system is a manual system maintained with odd copies such as registers and files. Communication between the different sections is difficult. We cannot find who is staying in which place, and there are more chances of misuse of quarters, and one has to wait for a long time to get confirmed to stay in. The proposed system is a web-based system that provides facility to manage subscriber information and documents in a database, and the proposed system consists of the following modules such as request for quarters, waiting list allotment, allotment of quarters, and handing over. Our project is computerization of quarters allotment system for BSNL. For that, first we have to install WAMP server into a system. To do so, click on the .txt file. These are the various steps involved in installing WAMP server into a system. WAMP server has been already installed in my system, so I am just showing a demo. Clicking next will install the WAMP server into a system. So after the installation, to start the WAMP server, you have to click the WAMP manager icon in the desktop. Only then WAMP server will be started. After clicking WAMP manager icon, there will be a green color icon visible in the system tray. The WAMP server is successfully started only if the icon is in green color. If the icon is in orange or red color, the WAMP server is not successfully started. So note that WAMP server, this icon should be in green color. Once it's done, copy all your programs into the www directory. After doing so, everything is set. We can run our project. First, I'll show the client side process. Type localhost/index1.php. This is the login page. New user should click the new user registration and then click submit and enter all your details like HR number, designation, new user and new password. After doing so, you will get a unique user ID and password through which you can log in. Click submit. Use your new user ID and log in to. This is the quarters request form which we created. It consists of various fields like HR number, date of joining, location, designation, number of persons, booking month, booking date, and user mobile number. User mobile number is asked to get the confirmation SMS, and suit type and one level lower. Designation. Once you type the designation, the suit type will be automatically changed based on the eligibility criteria. One level lower is available only for the JTOs and clerks. This one level lower is used only in case of emergency. If you are in urgent, then you can click yes in the one level lower field. After filling the details, click the submit form. After doing so, you will get a unique reference number. Now the client's job is done. Now let's see the administrator's process. To do so, type localhost/menu.php. These are the various processes going on in BSNL in which we are doing quarters allotment. Enter the unique administrator's ID and password to log in and click read pending requests. to view the various requests by the client. Waiting list allotment, click waiting list allotment, then type the month to view the request based on the monthly criteria. What you are seeing is the list of requests received in the month of April. Then click on the unique request and then type the location preferred by the user and type HR number and check availability. These are the various quarters available based on the client's requirements. Click on the particular link to view information of the particular quarters and again click the link to allot quarters allotted. Save your confirmation SMS. After clicking this link, the user BSNL will send an SMS to the user regarding the confirmation of the quarters. The admin have to click the link again to update the database that the quarters is allotted to the particular HR number. For confirmation, let's check the administrators database. To do that, click on the green color icon in the system tray and click phpMyAdmin. Enter password as empty and username as root. Click on test database. The highlighted field is the quarters that we allotted currently. Now everything is fine. Thank you.